Hi, welcome to release 2 of the elderthrow. This is for these lace ribbed sections. There are 10 of these panels in total, 2 either side of the central panel and 2 each on each corner. You can choose to work these from the centre out, so you can pick up the stitches which you've already learned on the last release, or you can cast on and knit them separately. These patterns are available to download from knitrowan.com. In this pattern release, I'm going to show you how to work the 2-row pattern repeat that is used in this ribbed lace pattern. Here we've got a small section of this panel already started, so you can see the pattern starting to develop. Yours will be wider as you'll have 98 stitches. So I'm starting with the wrong side row here, which is also the way the instructions begin. We start with purl 3, yarn round needle and purl 2 together. Purl 2, then you go back to the star at the beginning of the pattern, yarn round needle, purl 2 together and purl 2, and this is the repeat throughout the whole row. Yarn round needle, purl 2 together, purl 2. This is the repeat until you get to the last 3 stitches. The last 3 stitches is yarn round needle, purl 2 together, purl 1. Now for the right side row. Start by knitting 3. Yarn forward, slip 1. When you slip 1, you're going to slip 1 as if you're going to knit the stitch. Knit the next stitch and pass the slip stitch over. Knit 2. Then you go back to the star, yarn forward, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over. Knit 2. This will be the repeat to the end of the row. When you get to the last 3 stitches, you're going to do yarn forward, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, and then knit 1 at the end. These 2 rows form the pattern, so keep repeating them according to the pattern instructions, working in the same way for all 10 panels. Don't forget to share your progress with us on social media. Thanks for joining in.